Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO C55 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find additional settings. Now let's tap on languages and input, which should be on the second position, and tap on languages. And as you can see, we've been immediately transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So fortunately in this device it's really easy to actually change the language, because we have to find the language we'd like to apply and simply tap on it. And as you can see, immediately the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. We can change it again, or I just want to change it again to English. So let me show it to you again. Just tap on the languages, find the language and tap on it, and that's all. Right now we've got the English applied. Alright, so as I said, that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.